Nation's girl group is set to take the spotlight as they are slated to perform at the inaugural Filipino Music Awards, or FMA, happening on October 21, 2025. The historic event aims to celebrate the excellence of original Filipino music and highlight the contributions of Filipino artists in shaping the local and international music scene. Their participation in the very first FMA marks another milestone in their journey, further solidifying their place as trailblazers in the P-pop movement. But before their much-awaited stage appearance at the FMA, BINI members Colette and Maloy are set to take on a different role, this time as special mentors for the semi-finals of Idol Kids Philippines on September 13th and 14th, 2025. Both artists will share their experiences and guidance with the young aspiring singers, inspiring the next generation of Filipino talent. Blooms are looking forward to these back-to-back events, as BINI not only showcases their artistry on stage, but also their dedication to nurturing young performers. With their growing influence in the industry, the group proves that they are not just performers, but also role models for aspiring artists.
Hi, good morning everyone. It's currently 2 p.m. na and nagpe-prepare na kami for photo book launch. Yes, excited na ako guys kasi kahit hindi ko pa nakikita yung final output. Nakita ko siya last time nung before kami mag-send ng mga comments namin regarding sa photo book. Pero hindi pa namin nakikita yung talagang final. Yan, excited na ako. See you Blooms later.
Blocking is one line. Tapos, chorus ni Gwen, bababa tayo. Kung sino unang bumaba, siya yung nasa gitna sa baba. Tapos, stay. Second chorus, switch tayo left over right. Tapos stay. Tapos, aakyat ulit tayo sa stage part ni Ate Maloy. Sino ba? Bali, ang travel lang namin palagi yung chorus.
Chorus lang lagi, para hindi nakakalito. Okay?
Oh, nice! Solid!
Watch it.
Nice!